Assalamu alaikum. MCQs number 1. Using the midpoint method, if the price of a good falls from $70 to $60 and the quantity demand rises from 2,800 to 3,000, what is the price of elasticity of demand? The answer is option number B, 0.45. MCQs number 2. Which of the following statements best describes perfectly inelastic demand? The answer is option number A. A percentage change in price leads to no change in quantity demanded. MCQs number 3. If the price elasticity of demand for a good is 0.35, demand is considered. The answer is option number C, inelastic. Option number 4. MCQs number 4. According to the table 5.2, which of the following goods has the most elastic demand? The answer is option number C, restaurant meals. MCQs number 5. If demand is elastic and a firm raises its price, total revenue will. The answer is option number B, decreases. MCQs number 6. The midpoint method for calculating elasticity is preferred because it. The answer is option number A, uses the same base for both price increases and decreases. MCQs number 7. A constant unitary elasticity demand curve has which shape? The answer is option number C. A curved line becoming steeper on the left and flatter on the right. MCQs number 8. In the case of a perfectly elastic supply curve, the answer is option number C. Any price change leads to an infinite change in quantity supplied. MCQs number 9. According to the text, why did coffee prices rise dramatically after a major frost in Brazil in 1994? The answer is option number B. Supply shift left and demand was inelastic. MCQs number 10. If the price elasticity of supply is 3.53, a 1% rise in price will lead to a. The answer is option number B, 3.53% increases in quantity supplied. Short answers and questions. The question number 1 is differentiate between price elasticity of demand and price elasticity of supplies. The answer is price elasticity of demand measures responsiveness of quantity demanded to price change calculate as percent change in quantity demanded divided by percent change in price. Price elasticity of supply measures responsiveness of quantity supplied calculated as percent change in quantity supplied divided by percent change in price. Question number 2 is why is elasticity not the same as slope? The answer is slope measures absolute change, rise and run, and is constant along a straight line. Elasticity measures percentage change and varies along the curve. It is high at high prices, low quantities, and low at low prices, high quantities. Question number 3. Define elastic, inelastic, and unitary elasticity. Elastic percent change in quantity, change in price elasticity change in quantity, change in price elasticity, unitary change in quantity, change in price elasticity. Question number 4. How should a band adjust ticket prices of demand is elastic? The brand should raise prices because the percentage increases in price will cause a smaller percentage decreases in quantity demanded, thereby increasing total revenue. Question number 5. Why do Cigarette taxes raise revenue but not greatly reduce adult smoking. The answer is adult demand for cigarettes is elastic, so a price increases from taxes cause only a small percentage drop in quantity demanded to reduce smoking. Policies should shift demand left via anti-smoking campaigns.